friends, I hope all of you are fine. Stay safe. Today I thought of sharing with you a beautiful video by a simple example so that you all can understand well what is the perception of our life when we are looking from some other's eyes. Now, how can we understand that? What is the value of our life? How can we understand that? Why we are still here? Is there any purpose of living, or whether we are having a particular motive towards anything? So these all things can be understood by considering some of the different angles which we have never ever traveled before. So for that I just want to make clear you with a small example. Okay, suppose consider this is as an thing which you are never ever have seen. Okay, so let me ask you something. What is this? I think you all will be now ready with your different answers. Some will be explaining, sir, this is an object. Some will be explaining, or some will be telling me that, sir, this is an ball. Some will be saying that, sir, this is a piece of plastic. This is a sphere. So there are many answers, and I'm sure that you all are willing to know what is this. From my point of view, this is a creation of someone's idea. So there are different answers for a particular thing. But the thing is, if this one has a mouth, or if this is a living object, surely it will clear what it is. So imagine as if this is you. So who you are, what you are, what are you made up of? How can you make the things understand to other people? Now that are the things which we have to focus on. See, what is within us, or what we are within us, that can be only understood by others if we are speaking. If we are coming out with different talents which are hidden inside our inner self. So first we have to come up. We have to make people understand what is the value of each one of you. So I think it's clear to all of you why I have chosen such an object. This is a non-living thing. So it will be valued only if we are understanding the use of it. But on the other hand, we all are living in this wonderful world, and we all have our own perception towards life. So you no need to worry about what others feel about you, what others are understanding about you, what are others' interpretation. You just believe in yourself, and you just come up with what are you within yourself. Let the world understand you from your side, not from their side. That is the thing I wish to share with you all. I hope you all understood what is now the perception of life whenever we are talking of ourselves or of someone else. And also one more thing, see, life can be considered as a pebble, or as a piece of sand, or a sand particle, or a piece of paper, or just a leaf which is flowing through the river. You all are already aware that at last these things will end into the ocean. Finally, this all will settle into the ocean, because they know where their destiny are. So that's it. You just move on. Don't worry. Don't ever feel about what others feels about you. So you just need to prove by yourself who you are. If you are able to prove it, believe me, definitely others will be saying that, hence prove. And that is the best tribute to one's life. So I think this video can make you realize or give you a chance to make you understand what is the value of life. Each and every individual is unique. Each and every individual is having a particular perception towards his dream, towards his life. So let all of you try it, ignite your mind, and believe me, the fire will be coming up with the help of all the situation, all the surrounding that are satisfying you. So you no need to worry about anything else. Just take a chance, prove it yourself. Believe me, trust me, you all can prove with maximum efficiency. So that's all guys. I think this video means a lot to you all, and keep sharing this. Let others also understand who you are, what you are, and how we can come up with. So bye, take care, and have a nice day.